Hi everyone, today we're going into Grow Generations, and as it says, it's where the pros go to grow. So we'll be the judge of that. Let's go inside and see what they have. We're here with Tristan from Grow Generations, and it says where the pros go to grow, so we're going to find out. Tristan's new, so we're going to test him and go through the store and see what he knows about it. But I've never been in a store, and it's huge. Look at this. It's like the Walmart of growing stuff, but better quality. Oh, they even got a band playing. All kinds of stuff. So why don't you go ahead and give us a lowdown. What do you want to start going this way here?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got pretty much all the cloning stuff and everything you need for propagation and cloning.
Okay.
Seedling to finish. They have all kinds of stuff for Trollmaster to control a full-on indoor lighting system.
Oh, great.
Pretty much every part you need, from CO2 to lighting and everything else in between. We also have a bunch of pH meters and pretty much everything you need. Down this aisle is all the soil.
Okay, soil.
All kinds of.
What do we have? We have air filters here, and is that what that is? Yeah, air stones.
Yeah. Right now it's just some lighting timers and air stones.
Now, I can't tell you how many of you guys online have been asking me where to get the floats. Look, right here. See that? And at the bottom of this video, I'm going to put their web address so you can shop them online if you're not over here. We're in Auburn, Maine, by the way. But they have all kinds of stuff. Look at that.
Yeah, we've been moving all kinds of stuff around, but we got the trim bins and the dividers for the buds and everything too.
Wow. Cocoa choir, yeah.
Down here's all the soil and the cocoa. We also have our line carries this Charcoal brand of these cocoa pots.
Oh, really? Okay.
So
So what comes with that? Just the...
They have them in a fabric or a plastic, and there's 1 gallon, half gallon, 2 gallon, 3 gallon. We pretty much have every size.
Huh. Okay, and then this is all soil.
So yeah, a lot of people are using this for indoor irrigation. But yeah, all this is cocoa and soil. And then in the next aisle over here is all our pots and everything else. Kinds of the hydrogen and the perlite and lava rock.
Yeah, you use a lot of that in the hydroponics.
Additives you need.
Peat. Huh, okay.
Yeah, we got the Canna cocoa, the Mother Earth cocoa, the Fox Farm, Ocean Forest.
I feel like a kid in a candy store here.
Roots Organics.
Okay. Canna cocoa.
But yeah, down this other aisle is all our pots and all of our trellis and stakes and whatnot. We have a bunch of different square pots, all the way from like 3.5 inch to like 5 gallon. And then on the other side is our...
Now, what are these here?
This is our trellis.
Oh, okay, trellises.
So we have plastic and fabric, from small rolls all the way to like big industrial size rolls.
Yeah.
And then over here is all of
Whoa.
our plastic pots.
You can plant trees.
From like 25 gallon to 1 gallon.
Yeah.
And then we also have like the plastic and the fabric pots down here too.
Now, if you folks are saying I'm not steady holding the camera, it's because I'm spending so much time looking at everything. I should look through the camera, right, guys?
But yeah, we got all the...
What's this?
These are the like little poly bags.
Oh, really?
So
okay.
You can get a 25 pack of like the 5 gallon. I think this one's open actually. But these are only like a couple cents a piece. Or for like a 25 pack, I think it's only like...
That's the price right over here. Look at that, $10.
Yeah.
So you guys even seen some of the prices. Ah.
And then yeah, these are all the fabric pots. We pretty much have
20 gallon.
every size we need.
Do not unfold bags. Well, look at the size of that one, 45 gallon. Now that'd be great for your potatoes, guys. Get a bunch of them all at once.
And then over here is all our water filters for like RO systems or like sediment filters and stuff. And we have like the full systems as well.
Wow, you got everything here. Got all the lines and everything.
And then we pretty much carry all the Netafim irrigation stuff that you need. And like the tubing for the irrigation lines.
Guys, you have to get the tubing yourself, so bring a ladder or climbing equipment. Wow, the hoses. You were also asking me how I get the hoses to go from bucket to bucket. Here we go.
And then this is like the propagation section. Or we have the plugs, and over here we have like the heating mats and the trays.
Where are the mats?
Right over on this one.
Down over here,
all
okay.
the different trays and stuff.
Oh yeah, heating mats. Yeah, great. Everything, all the trays to get started, every size.
Yeah, on our website we have even more stuff that we can always order in as well. Pretty much all the stuff down here is just different nutrient lines that we carry. And we have like seedling starter stuff like Mycos or Mycorrhizae and some other beneficial stuff.
And even in big size.
And then in the other aisle there's like bulbs and some of the lighting stuff on display. And these are all our dehumidifiers and humidifiers. We have more out back.
Inline fans.
Yep, and then like inline fans.
Oh, you even get these set up so people can see them.
Yeah, I think I might be able to turn them on.
All the lights for indoors. If you want to grow your own seedlings earlier in the year. Oh, there we go. Probably going to blind you guys, so get ready. Let there be light. Look at that. It's like Christmas. Look at all the red lights and pretty much everything.
Maybe this one doesn't want to turn on right now.
Probably good. It would have blinded them.
Now we got cloning bars. Those are like 4x4 lights, LED lights. They're only like 500 and change, and they have 5-year warranties.
Okay.
And then I have just some of the spare bulbs,
Fluorescent
like some of
tubes.
the older bulbs, like the single-ended and T5 bulbs. A bunch of different size turkey bags. We also have a lot more in order as well.
Turkey bags.
Yeah, just for bagging up like material and stuff.
Oh, no, okay. I thought maybe you were talking about something for Thanksgiving or something. Turkey bag. Okay, I'm not familiar with that.
Call them. You can
Is it?
cook with them, but
You can, yeah.
I think
Wow.
they use them for different stuff.
Great.
Yeah, and then all this stuff is like fungicide and cleaning products, stuff for like insects and stuff like that. And this is like all our organic amendments.
Crab meal, bat guano. Okay, alfalfa meal, acid mix, fish meal. I know a lot of people like to do stuff with fish.
Yeah, I'd say that stuff's pretty popular for all our organic growers. It just takes a little bit longer to go into the soil.
I had bought some liquid fish fertilizer once, and I learned an important lesson. Don't do it in your house. Man, does that stuff stink.
Yeah, we have a couple products like that.
But it's
I
strong.
always
It's
feel
good.
like the more it smells, the better it works sometimes. Now we have all the Canna and
Yeah.
Drip Hydro, Athena, General Hydroponics, all the nutrient brands.
So, end result, yeah, I'm going to be coming back. This is a great place. Everything you need seems to be right here. So, Tristan, hey, I want to thank you a lot for your tour, and they can see my hand.
Nice to meet you, man.
And what I'll do is I will be posting their webpage right below here. I don't know what is it is offhand. Just growgenerations.
Growgeneration.com.
There we go. Growgeneration.com. You heard it from the pro. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Grow Generations. They have everything you need here. Thanks for watching. Be sure to look at the link below. Anything you need, you can get online if you're not local to Auburn, Maine. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye now.